Hello guys, today's question is minimum time to make rope colorful. Question says that Alice has n balloons arranged on a rope. You are given a zero index string colors where colors of I is the color of ith balloon and the Alice want to rope the colorful. She does not want to two consecutive balloons to be the same color. So he asked the Bob to for help. Bob can remove the same balloons from the rope to make it colorful. And you are given zero indexed in integer array needed time, where needed time I is the time that Bob need to remove ith balloon from the rope. So you have to written minimum time Bob need to make the rope colorful. So question basically says that if there is a an array of rope is given, or here a rope is like this, okay, and rope is here, rope, and now there is a balloons which is a, let's suppose this is a red balloon, this is a red balloon, and now next balloon is yellow, and next balloon is red and blue, and next. So if there is a, let's suppose this is a blue color balloon, and next also is a blue color balloon, and this is a red color balloon. So this is a rope given which there are balloons are uh, tied into this rope, and Alice want to help to Bob such that there is no consecutive same color of balloons present in this row. So there is here is also given a needed time to remove that balloon. Let's suppose this if we want to remove this balloon, which is one time and two time, 1 and 3 second, and let's suppose 2 second and 3 second. So Bob only remove that balloon which is consecutive in the same color. So here if we observing red yellow red blue red, so these two balloons are the consecutive same color. So if Bob remove this balloon, let's suppose this, then he take 3 second time, and all then after removing this rope like red yellow red blue red, and there is no consecutive same color. So this can be a possible answer, but if remove this balloon, then then we need to 3 second to remove this. And let's suppose assume we remove this balloon, which is this balloon. If we remove this balloon, then we need time to 2 second, 2 second, and after removing this, and then this rope also be a colorful, because all the consecutive balloons are not the same color. So which balloon Bob remove? This balloon, because this balloons take 2 second of removing, and this balloon take the 3 second of removing. So Bob remove this balloon, and the answer of this our answer is 2 second, because minimum time to remove make rope colorful. So what is the minimum time? 2 2 second is the minimum time. And here in the this question there is one example test case is given, which is uh, here is given. So now explain this, and after this we working on a code. So here is color ABAAC. Here is given ABAAC, where A represent, where in this row all the color are representing into the, here is given all color are presenting to the uh, only lowercase English letters. That means there is a color representing to the one English lowercase letters, and needed time in any integer which is 1 to 10 to power 4. Okay, so the first test case here is ABAAC, and needed time 1 2 3 4 5. Needed time is here given 1 2 3 and 4 and 5. That means if we remove this balloon, then we need 1 second and 2 3 4 and 5, so on. And so here the output is 3. So how we get the output 3? So you can clearly observe that uh, these are the two balloon which is here given consecutive. So which balloons remove, Bob? This balloon, because uh, this is gives the 3 second to remove, which is a minimum. If remove this, then he need to 4 second. So this balloon remove and answer is 3 second. And after this removing, our our rope is become like this because A is removed here, and now there is no consecutive the same color, and now the row is colorful. So how we solve this question? Let us discuss some tip to you can know idea about the how is the code going on. So here we going to approach this question using two pointers, some like something, and some modified two pointers, so that you can get the idea how it's going on. So basically, if there is an array given, let's suppose A B, A A, B C C B A. So here what we do here, we traverse this array using one pointer, which is, let's suppose, I variable. And by this I variable, we now second variable, which is j. If we comparing both of these, I loop begin here to here, and j loop here to here, going to here, so that we here looping for inside two for loop. We nested use two for loop to consider there is a consecutive same color or not. So if we going to, let's suppose, A here, I index is A, and j integer is pointing to B. Now if there is not a same color, then we j moving to here, then I moving to here, I moving to here, and now again for j, for next here to here, and now I moving to here, and j here to here. If there is not a same color, then we again going to increase I, not j, increase I. And after that I, we again check for next I, j equals to I plus 1 to n. So that if there is a same color, if the same color, then we put our one vector, which is temp, let's suppose temp. And after putting these value or temp, and which value we remove of this consecutive, there is a minimum values. If there is a consecutive, let's suppose A, if there are three consecutive value of A, and these corresponding time, needed time is given here. So we simply put these value in our temporary vector, which is array. And after putting these, we sort this array. And which value we remove, which is sort time. So after sorting, we get the which is the minimum value, which is first and second and third. So we extract 1 2, which is the given minimum, and third maximum value remains in the same array. So that if we remove minimums needed time here 2, then we get the our answer, which is desired minimum time to remove, and maximum value remains the row. So that we get the some idea how we going on here. Basically we remove minimum consecutive balloons with the needed time, and uh, and nothing do with the maximum needed time, which is removed. Okay, if there is consecutive happen in the color. So let us implement, you can get the idea how is going on. So in the implementation, we simply calculate the n, which is n is our array size, which is a color dot size. Okay, after doing, we declare answer, which is the our output. So your answer is equals to 0. So first for loop, we going to I equals to 0 to I less than n, I plus plus. Okay, and now this matlab current color, which is ch equals to current, which is the, that means ith, color ch. Okay, now color, let's suppose now color becomes co colors of I. That means that same index color, and we declare a vector to input that which is the have the same consecutive color, and declare answer int j. And we nested for loop, we going to j is equals to I plus 1, and j less than and j plus plus. If there is a same color, if um, if a color if colors of I colors of j not equals to, that means next consecutive color is not matched to the our now color, then we simply break. That means nothing to do. Okay, but if there is a color match, then we simply push into our temp vector, which is the array, so that we calculate uh, calculate the time for the further, so needed time j. And after doing this, if there is a element in the temp, that means there is a consecutive element. Okay, so temp dot size, if temp dot size is greater than 0, that means there is a element in the temp, that means there is a consecutive uh, colors in the row. So what will we do? temp dot push back temp dot push back our, which is the mm, our ith, that means this ith temp, because this is not our in our temp uh, array. So we need to put in the array, so that all the consecutive arrays in the temp array. Now simply we sort our temp array. After sorting, we temp dot end. After sorting, we put the our answer. uh, let's suppose we int size is equals to temp dot size. Okay, temp dot size. And after doing this, we add our answer, which is a which is the minimum values of size minus 1, because maximum value remain in the row, and all values in the and remaining value going to the our answer. So answer plus equals to temp of k. After doing this, we increase our I value also, because uh, if there is a, let's suppose take example here. If there is a 1 1 a consecutive, then next I move to direct b here, not here. So what we do here, I becomes to j minus 1. What j minus 1? Why not j? Because here we also do I plus plus, so I equals to j minus 1. After doing this, we simply return our answer. Okay, so i I hope you understand the concept, what is going on. Basically we take a chunk which is the consecutive, and remove it from the uh, array, and maximum it remains the row, and the minimum is our to add to our answer. Basically this is the whole idea. So that is how we approach this question. Okay, finally accepted this solution. So thank you for watching.